Hello, my name is Asia, and this is my Protostomes video project. So for my chosen organism, I chose the squid, and that's its common name. And for its scientific name, the class is the Cephalopoda, and the order is the Tethida. And I had to just include the class and order because the genus and species vary depending on the specific type of squid. So for what I will be discussing today, I will be discussing squids and natural habitats, their food acquisition methods, their predator-prey relationships, their unique evolved traits. I'll be going over an image of the squid and the importance of the squid. So for natural habitat, squids are located in many diverse marine environments. So you can see them in shallow waters, mid-depth waters, as well as deep waters. So like an example for shallow water would be the longfin inshore squid, mid-depth waters would be the firefly squid, and for deep water squids, you could see the giant squid. So for food acquisition methods, squids go through a series of steps to get their food. So first they'll scan the environment for prey and they'll usually they have really good eyes. So they'll scan the environment for prey and then they'll shoot out these two long tentacles that they have to capture their prey. And they'll pull that prey toward their eight arms and use like a sharp beak to tear into their food. And once they do that, they'll use a radula, which is like a tongue-like structure, which composed of tiny teeth used for scraping food particles, and this will help them to process their food. And so for predator-prey relationships, as predator, um, squids, they like to eat small fish, crustaceans, and even in some cases, they'll even eat other squids or small whales whenever it comes to like larger squid species. And then as prey, they typically get hunted by whales, which an example would be the sperm whales, large fish, sharks, seabirds, and dolphins. Some unique evolved traits for squids is that they can do color changing, and that's really cool because they can camouflage to hide from prey or even to capture, to hide from predators or even to capture prey. And they can also use it as a communication form. They also have jet propulsion, which I think this one's really cool, and this allows the squid to propel themselves by expelling water through a siphon. They also have ink release, which this is when they eject dark ink to distract predators. And then lastly, they have highly developed nervous systems, which allows them to have fast learning and very coordinated hunting. So this is a hand-drawn image that I made of the squid, and you could see right here, this is the siphon that allows them to propel that water through so that they can move. Okay, and then now this is an image of the squid, and you could see those two long tentacles I was talking about, and they'll grab their prey and then bring them to these arms right here. And then this is the eyes, and these are those fins on the squid. So the importance of the squid. In the ecosystem, squids serve as keystone species in many marine food webs, and an example of this would be that they control small fish and crustacean populations by hunting them, and they're also a vital food source for many like larger marine animals, like I said earlier, the whales, the dolphins, the sharks, etc. And then the importance of the squid to humankind is that they are harvested worldwide for seafood and specifically calamari. They're also used for neuroscience research. So squids have giant axons used for understanding how like nerves transmit signals. And then lastly, their ink is even used for food and sometimes in art forms. So this is my works cited, and thank you so much for watching this video.